Modern humans have existed for only 40,000 years, and modern science for only around 400 years. We have made huge advancements in science and technology in this short span of time, and even gone beyond the limit of our solar system. The universe has existed for over 13 billion years, and is home to countless galaxies, each with billions of stars and planets. It is estimated that our home galaxy, the Milky Way, might have up to 20 billion planets that can sustain life. Imagine the number of planets that could be hosting intelligent life. Out of the countless alien civilizations, many must be millions, or even billions of years older than us. We cannot even begin to imagine the level of advancement of their science and technology. This idea also intrigued astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev. He proposed that, in order to advance in science and technology, a civilization must use a huge amount of energy. The more advanced a civilization is, the more energy it will consume. Based on this, he created a method of classification, which came to be known as the Kardashev Scale. This divided civilizations into 3 levels: Type 1, 2, and 3. This scale has since been expanded to 7 levels by other experts. Let's take a look at what each type is believed to be capable of. A Type 1 civilization can harvest all the energy available on its home planet and store it for future use. Based on a calculation done by astronomer Carl Sagan, we are still just at level 0.72. And it will take us another 100 to 200 years to become an early Type 1 civilization. A Type 1 civilization should also be able to make use of nuclear fusion. We currently use fission reactions to generate nuclear power. Not only is this less efficient, but also produces radioactive waste, and is prone to accidental nuclear disasters. An advanced Type 1 civilization can also control natural phenomena, like earthquakes and cyclones. Cure diseases like cancer, control diseases caused by viruses and bacteria, regenerate organs, thereby increasing the lifespan manyfold. It will take us another 3,000 years, from being an early to an advanced Type 1 civilization. A Type 2 civilization moves from being a planetary to a stellar civilization. The planetary resources are no longer able to sustain the energy required by a Type 2 civilization. To meet that growing requirement, it needs to tap the energy from its nearby stars. Physicist Freeman Dyson proposed the idea of a Dyson sphere, an artificial shell-like structure built around a star, to tap its energy. This type of a civilization is able to travel freely between various planets and colonize the space. It will take us 100,000 to 10 million years to reach this level. Next comes a Type 3, or a galactic civilization, which is not only able to harness energy from their nearby stars, but also from other stars in the galaxy. Such a civilization is capable of traversing through wormholes. They still cannot create a new one, but use the existing wormholes. They can live at maximum lifespans possible for their species, and start exploring the idea of transferring consciousness from their body to a machine, and achieve immortality. They would have perfected anti-gravity technology at a level where they can approach a star and leave it after collecting energy. Kardashev mentioned that this will be the peak of civilization. However, other scientists have argued that many more levels of advancement are possible. A Type 4 civilization is a universal civilization. They can travel the universe freely by creating and maintaining wormholes. This requires an amount of energy not available even in stars. A Type 4 civilization gets this energy from supernovas, which are massive explosions that occur when a huge star dies. Astronomers believe that only 2 to 3 supernovae occur in any galaxy in a century, so to meet the energy requirements, a Type 4 civilization needs to traverse the universe. They can master immortality, and are also capable of creating other primitive, or Type 0 civilizations. The gods in our mythology could have been visitors from such Type 4 civilizations. They have fully understood and proven the concept of a multiverse, which means that there are many other parallel universes. This takes us to Type 5, or a multiversal civilization. A civilization that can traverse multiple universes. The immense amount of energy required for crossing over to another parallel universe can only be obtained by tapping a white hole, which is the opposite of a black hole. White holes are currently only theoretical, but it is only a matter of time before one is discovered. A single white hole is capable of releasing 14 million times more energy than an entire galaxy. Reaching the level of Type 6 will bring the realization of multiple dimensions. A Type 6 civilization will go beyond the 3 dimensions and become a multidimensional civilization. Entering a higher dimension will crush the existing 3-dimensional physical bodies. Such a civilization would have already moved to a consciousness level. With every single higher dimension, the capability will increase hundreds of times. They will be capable of traveling freely back and forth in time. This will be the peak of civilization with no further advancement possible. However, this is when the realization sets in that, who created them? Who created the space and time? This is where a Type 7 civilization comes in, the creator. At this point it will not exactly be a civilization, but a single being. It will be most efficient to combine all consciousness into one single mind that would encompass all thoughts and all timelines, making it omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient.